Hello friends, welcome you in Research News. In this video, we will see how to add a table on website. Here you can see I have added a table on a website, but it has an extra space, and that space causing lots of problem and showing error on the website sometimes, and sometimes it is also creating the blogger website not open, or it is not completely showing the page. So to overcome this problem, we will add a table with adjustment that will easily remove the extra spaces. So here I have taken a table on Excel, and that table I will add on website. So first we will go in Google Sheet, where we will paste the our Excel table here, and you can see here while I paste it, it's showing overflowing of the content. So by wrapping tool we can wrap it and add the all content into the table. So first we will here we will go in format, and the fourth tool is wrapping tool. By using that you can add all content into the table. Now we have to adjust this table as per our website requirement. We have to adjust the space. Here whatever adjustment you want to, as per your website size, you can make it here only. And that part, a whole table, then we have to paste in Blogger. But one or two time you have to adjust that on Google Sheet, so it will be easily look comfortable with the website. So first here we have completed our task, and the space, whatever the space, extra space you can see here, that you have to adjust by moving the lines or column itself, and you can adjust those things easily by it is work. A whole Google Sheet is work like Excel sheet only, but it giving you comfort that Google Blogger is accepting. So that comfort it will gives, so easily Google Blogger will adjust with that, because both are the same company, so they are adjusting it on website. But Excel, while you are directly pasting the table from Excel to Google, it creating lots of irregularities, or it's showing sometimes extra space. Now we are going to paste the previous table, we will remove because it has some extra spaces, and that we have removed. Select Control A and delete whole part, and here you can paste it. Now we have to adjust the extra space, whatever extra space you can see around, that we have to remove, and it should be well suited with the website. So now here you can see I have pasted on Blogger, and now we have to adjust this table, and we will update this table on website, and we will check that it is how it is look like. So it has X space or not, it has removed this space or not, or it is table is well fitted with the website or not, that we will see. Now I have pasted again, so you can see it is not well suited with the website. So we have to, you can see here the extra space, and that in the internal content extra space are already gone, but the website, means the table area, it is not well suited with the website. So now we have to adjust that part, and we have to modify this part here in Google Sheet only. So we will drag this column, and we will add the space in this part, and now we will adjust another part also, so it will look perfect. Now we have to select and again add on the website. Now we will go on website, Google Blogger. Here we will delete the previous table. We will select and delete it. You have to add the backspace and then paste the copied table. And then update. After update, you have to go again on the website and check it is now okay with the website or not. Again we have, you can see here some spaces remaining that you can adjust by again the repeating the same procedure by dragging the Google Sheet and adjusting those part with the table, and the table should be well fitted with the website, then only it will looks good. So I have adjusted again the on the Google Sheet, and the table again we have copied, and again go on the blogger site. Here you have to delete the previous table again and paste the new table. Now finally we will adjust the table on blogger, and that part we will paste in blogger and see if it is on website, it is adjusted with the website or not. Here you can see it as well suited with the website, and you can easily see the without space, it has no extra space, and whole and soul the website is looking good. So this is how we can add any table on website, and we can use it as per our requirement. So you can add any content by this in table on website. So how was the video? Do me the comment, and for more videos please do comment.